Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to discuss how the Cisco Certified Network Associate or CCNA certification can fast track your entry into the IT industry. We already had a small video on this topic. This video is more of an extension of the same video to make you aware of the benefit of CCNA certification more closely. This certification provides the knowledge and hands-on skills needed for a variety of networking roles. Let's dive into how the CCNA can make you job ready with minimal additional training required by the employer. So, as many of you know, networking is at the core of IT, and it has become more essential than ever with today's digital transformation. The CCNA certification has become one of the most sought after credential in the industry. This presentation will show you how the CCNA can directly prepare you for an entry-level IT job, and it reduces the training time needed by employer and give you the practical skills needed to succeed from day one. The CCNA is highly recognized globally, and it is often seen as a benchmark for foundational network knowledge. When you earn this certification, it shows employers that you not only understand networking theory but also possesses the skills to handle networking tasks on the ground. The hands-on focuses on CCNA is what make it so valuable in roles like network administrator, network technician and IT support. With a CCNA, you are equipped with the skills that company needs right now. So the CCNA covers a range of topics that are immediately relevant to daily IT work. These include networking fundamentals, which lay the groundwork for IP addressing, routing and switching. Network access introduces VLANs and wireless networks, which are essential for corporate and remote networks. IP connectivity and services like DHCP and DNS ensure that devices can communicate smoothly. Then there is security fundamentals, which teach basic methods for protecting the network. Finally, there is an introduction to automation and programmability, which allows for efficient network management, a valuable skill as network grow more complex. The CCNA is so relevant because it aligns with the actual tasks networking professionals handle daily. When you walk into a networking role, you will be expected to know how to set up, troubleshoot and secure a network. The CCNA's hands-on lab and simulation ensures that you are ready to do just that. This readiness not only benefits you as a new hire but also makes you a valuable asset to any team from day one, reducing the time spent on training and allowing you to jump into real tasks more quickly. From an employer perspective, hiring a CCNA candidate offers several advantages. For one, CCNA certified employees require less training, as they are already equipped with the skills to handle essential networking functions. This saves company both time and money. Secondly, CCNA holders can integrate more quickly into teams, which is vital in high-paced environment. Finally, their understanding of network security is crucial in protecting company data, which is increasingly important in today's cybersecurity landscape. The CCNA is also designed to meet current industry needs. The curriculum is regularly updated, so it includes modern concepts like network automation and programmability, which are becoming essential skills as networks grow in size and complexity. Also, the CCNA provides a solid foundation for those who may want to pursue advanced Cisco certifications such as CCNP or CCIE. Plus, since Cisco is used in many organizations worldwide, a CCNA can open doors for you in a variety of locations. With a CCNA certification, you are qualified for multiple entry-level roles in IT. These include network administrator, network technician, IT support specialist, cybersecurity assistant, and network engineer. These positions are in high demand and require exactly the kind of practical knowledge that the CCNA provides, whether you are troubleshooting network issues, supporting infrastructure, or securing the network. The CCNA prepares you to take on these responsibilities effectively. The practical focus of the CCNA means that certified candidates are ready to contribute from the start. Many networking tasks require the hand-on skills and troubleshooting abilities that the CCNA emphasizes, so you are less likely to need extensive training. Additionally, CCNA certified professionals are familiar with Cisco equipment, which is widely used in many organizations. All of this adds up to the employee who can perform well from day one, giving employers a great return on their hiring investments. So, in summary, a CCNA certification is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start a career in IT quickly and effectively. It's globally recognized, hands on, and practical, covering the essential topics that networking professionals need. A CCNA gives you a competitive edge, prepares you for real world challenges, and ensures you are job ready from day one. For employers, it means hiring someone who can make an immediate impact with minimal additional training. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you consider the CCNA as your path into the IT industry.